Hello everyone, we are going to do lab 13, which is we are running DPU on PYNQ. And the first thing we need to do is we download the boot image, and the version is 3.0.1, which I already download here. After you download this image file, you can unzip, and we need to burn this image file into our SD card, which we are going to use two tools. And the first one is balena etcher, and the second one is SD formatter. SD formatter is used to formatting your SD card so that you can burn image in, and balena etcher is the tool we burn image into our SD card. And after you plug in your SD card, you can open SD formatter and choose your SD card and click format. Yes. And now the SD card is formatted. And the next step, you open balena etcher and choose your image file, and then choose your SD card and click burn. And we all need to wait it. It takes maybe 30 minutes. And after we flash the image into our SD cards, we can unplug our SD cards and plug in into your PYNQ ZU board. So like this image, we plug our SD card in and connect our power cable and connect your micro USB cable. It don't need to be the micro USB 3.0. You can just plug the normal micro USB cable and connect to your host PC, and set the switch to the right side, which will make the board read system from our SD card, and then we power on our PYNQ ZU board, and we can give it a few seconds to boot the system. Then we can open our web browser and then go to this link, which will connect to our PYNQ ZU board. We still need to wait a few seconds after the board successfully boots their system. There should be a LED light called done when the system is successfully boot. Okay, seems like it's okay, and the password is silence. XILINX. And this will lead us to the Jupyter notebook, which is to connect to the PYNQ ZU through our micro USB cable. And this system is actually a Linux system. You can check using ls command. We are in the root path. And the next step, we need to install the DPU library from Xilinx. We will need pipe, this tool. You can check your environment first using pipe list. And here's our environment, which is already installed in the image. And if we are using pipe install, we will need network connection. And right now we don't have network connection. You can check using ifconfig. We don't have Wi-Fi connection or Ethernet connection, so we will need to do the Wi-Fi module is built in the PYNQ ZU, and we are going to connect using ifconfig/a. You can check our all. Here is our wireless LAN 0, which will be our Wi-Fi module, and you can use this command WPA passphrase and type your network name. In my case, will be ESIC/2, and the next argument is your network password, and it will generate a configuration file which called wpa.conf. And here you can check this configuration file is already generated. You can check it using cat. So this is our configuration file, and the next step is to make our wireless LAN 0 wake up using ifconfig wireless LAN 0 up. Then the next step is to use this command and select our configuration file and select our driver. This command will initialize our Wi-Fi authentication using our configuration file, and /b means it runs in the background. And the next step is we will to request the IP address for our Wi-Fi network. You can use this. You can use this command dhclient and wlan wireless LAN 0 to give our Wi-Fi a IP address. Now you can check your wlan 0, and here should be an IP address if you connect successfully. And now we can test it using ping. Let's ping google.com, and this means it is working, and Ctrl+C to stop it. And now our Wi-Fi connection is successfully established, and we can go to our next step. We will use pipe install to download this library, PYNQ DPU library. And it will take few minutes. And now we have successfully installed our PYNQ DPU module, and we can go to the next step. This command will take us to the Jupyter Notebook path, and check it using the LS. Here's our files. You can also check in through here, and using this command, which will get other files from the PYNQ DPU project. And here you can see there is an additional folder called PYNQ DPU, and there is several examples. We will use this DPU YOLO V3 notebook as our lab. And from now it is easy, just click run the select cells. This step will download our DPU.bit string, and you can next step import several libraries and load our model and set some data, some function. Here is some function. Just click run the cell, and this cell will load our image. Just click run, and on this cell we will run the detection. And so there is one object detected, which is classified as a dog, and has a 0.999 confidence level. And we can keep running, and we can calculate our performance, which is 6.6 FPS. And next step is release on resources, and here our lab is complete.